So, you're thinking about getting an electric bike, but you don't want to spend $3,000 just to cruise to work or hit the trails, right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just looking for a fun way to get around, this list is packed with high-performance electric bikes that won't drain your bank account. Today, we're counting down the top 5 affordable e-bikes, and these aren't your average budget bikes. I'm talking long-range, powerful motors, slick designs, and features that make you wonder how they're priced so low. From ultra-portable folding bikes to all-around beasts perfect for daily rides, there's something here for everyone. So buckle up, or should I say, pedal up, because by the end of this video, you're going to find the perfect e-bike that fits your lifestyle and your budget. Let's get into it. Alright, starting off strong at number 5 is the Ancheer Blue Spark, and let me tell you, this one is seriously punching above its weight. If you're trying to get into the e-bike game without dropping a fortune, this bike is honestly a hidden gem. It comes with a 500-watt brushless motor that gives you just enough torque to climb hills without turning it into a leg workout. And the 10.4 amp-hour battery is removable, which is super convenient for charging indoors. For just under $800, you're getting real functionality and performance that's perfect for beginners or budget-conscious riders who still want a quality experience. What makes the Blue Spark stand out is how versatile and beginner-friendly it is. You've got 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and traditional biking, so you can switch it up depending on how much effort you want to put in. The range clocks in at about 40 miles per charge, which is more than enough for most daily rides, whether you're commuting, heading to class, or just cruising the neighborhood. Plus, the front suspension fork actually does its job on bumpy roads, and the 21-speed Shimano gearing gives you more control than you'd expect at this price point. It's the kind of bike that gives you options without overwhelming you. Now sure, it's not the flashiest looking ride out there. It leans more toward rugged and functional than sleek and modern. But let's be real, performance is where it counts. The display is basic, but it does the job. And when you consider how much value you're getting for under $1,000, it's kind of a no-brainer. This is a solid pick if you're looking for your first e-bike or a backup ride that doesn't break the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the Hiboy P7, which I like to call the Swiss Army knife of electric bikes. It's super well-rounded, and honestly, it might be the most versatile option on this list. Whether you're commuting to work, hitting some off-road trails, or just out for a weekend ride, the P7 handles it all like a pro. Priced at around $1,299, it's not the cheapest, but you're getting some serious upgrades for your money. The 500-watt motor is solid and delivers quick acceleration, and the 15 amp-hour battery is a beast, offering up to 60 miles of range on a single charge. That's basically 2 or 3 days of riding without needing to plug in. One of the standout features here is how well the P7 balances power and comfort. The 27.5-inch tires roll over rough patches and curbs without a problem, and the front suspension fork smooths out potholes like a champ. Add in the sturdy aluminum frame and ergonomic design, and you've got a ride that feels durable but still light enough to maneuver easily. The P7 also includes a bright, easy-to-read LCD display, front and rear disc brakes, and even a set of fenders and lights, so it's actually ready for real-world use right out of the box. Whether you're riding in the city or out in the countryside, this bike adapts effortlessly. What really makes the Hiboy P7 special is that it doesn't make you choose between style, performance, or comfort. It gives you a little bit of everything. No, it's not the lightest or most compact e-bike, but it does just about everything well and leaves very little to complain about. If you're the kind of rider who wants one bike that can truly do it all, without spending $2,000, the P7 is your go-to. Alright, coming in hot at number 3 is the Rad Power Bikes RadKick, and this one is all about the ride experience. If comfort is your top priority, whether you're a daily commuter or just like long, relaxed rides, this is the e-bike for you. Retailing for around $1,499, the RadKick delivers some seriously thoughtful design features that make a huge difference, especially if you've got joint issues or just don't like crouching over handlebars. The step-through frame is low and easy to mount, which means no awkward leg swings or high kicks just to get on the thing. It's little details like that that make it such a great option for riders of all ages and sizes. Let's talk about the ride itself. This thing is smooth. You've got a powerful 750-watt motor that makes city riding a breeze, even with hills or headwinds. The 672 watt-hour battery gives you up to 45 miles per charge, and that's real-world range. No exaggerated marketing fluff. What I love most is the upright riding position, wide padded seat, and swept-back handlebars. It literally feels like you're sitting in a comfy chair on wheels. And thanks to the fat 3.3-inch tires, you get a super cushy ride even without suspension. It's perfect for people who don't want to feel every crack in the pavement. One of the coolest things about Rad Power Bikes is their reputation for reliability and support. The Rad Kick is part of a lineup that's known for durability and user-friendly features, and that peace of mind really matters when you're investing in a ride. It's not flashy or ultra-modern in design, but it's solid, dependable, and one of the most comfortable e-bikes you'll find under $1,500. If you want something you can ride for hours without feeling sore or stiff afterward, this is your guy. At number 2, we've got the NIU BQi-C3 Pro, which is hands down one of the best commuter e-bikes on the market in 2025. Priced at $1,999, it's definitely on the premium end of this list. But if you're using it to replace your car or cut down on ride-sharing costs, it'll pay for itself fast. The most impressive feature here is the dual battery system. You've got a total capacity of 920 watt-hours, giving you up to 90 miles of range. That's basically a whole week of back-and-forth commuting without even thinking about recharging. If range anxiety has ever been a problem for you, this bike solves it. But the BQi-C3 Pro isn't just about battery life. It's also incredibly sleek and efficient. The design is super futuristic, with a minimalist frame, integrated LED lighting, and a belt drive system that replaces the traditional chain. That means it's low maintenance, silent, and super clean. No grease, no mess, just smooth riding. The 750-watt motor gives it quick acceleration and enough torque to handle city inclines without breaking a sweat. You also get an advanced LCD dashboard that gives you real-time metrics like battery life, speed, and estimated range. It's like the Tesla of e-bikes, honestly. Even without suspension, the wide, puncture-resistant tires give you a surprisingly stable and comfortable ride on most city roads. And because it comes with integrated fenders, a rear cargo rack, and front and rear lights, it's truly commuter-ready out of the box. The only real downside is that it's not foldable and weighs a bit more than other options. But for a full-sized commuter powerhouse, that's expected. If you're serious about cutting your gas bill, ditching the bus, or just want a high-tech ride that handles everything with ease, the NIU BQi-C3 Pro should be at the top of your list. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Lectric XP Lite 2.0. This bike is just crushing it when it comes to price, performance, portability, and overall value. At just $799, it's hands down the best budget-friendly e-bike on the market right now. Don't let the low price fool you. This thing delivers in all the right areas. First of all, it's foldable, which makes it perfect for apartment living, car trunks, or even taking on public transportation. It only weighs about 49 pounds, which is super light for an e-bike, especially one with a 45-mile range and 300-watt motor. Now, I know 300 watts doesn't sound like a lot compared to some of the bigger motors out there, but the XP Lite 2.0 has been optimized to make the most of it. It rides zippier than you'd expect, especially on flat terrain, and it gets up to 20 miles per hour with pedal assist or throttle, so you're still moving faster than most city traffic. It's got 5 levels of pedal assist, a thumb throttle, and a bright new LCD display that makes tracking your ride super easy. Plus, Lectric beefed up the brakes, reinforced the frame, and improved tire traction with this 2.0 update. It's more rugged and capable than the original without losing any of the charm. This bike is seriously ideal for students, commuters, or anyone who wants a fun, reliable e-bike without spending over $1,000. It folds in seconds, stores easily, and still feels like a full-sized ride when you're on it. And with Lectric's amazing customer support and community of riders, you're getting a ton of peace of mind too. The XP Lite 2.0 proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a high-quality, dependable e-bike. It's light, it's fun, it's functional, and that's why it tops our list this year.